Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up an email account in Mozilla Thunderbird. Whether you're using Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, or Outlook, this process works for all of them, making it incredibly convenient to manage multiple email accounts in one place. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's get started by opening your Thunderbird application. Once it launches, direct your attention to the right side of the screen where you'll find the Account Settings option. Go ahead and click on that. This is your control center for managing all email accounts within Thunderbird, and it's where we'll be adding your new account. Now look toward the top left of the window. You'll see an option labeled New Account. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Mail Account. This tells Thunderbird that you want to add an email address rather than another type of account like a calendar or chat service. Next, you'll be prompted to input some basic information. Start by typing in your full name as you want it to appear when you send emails. Then enter the email address you wish to add. This could be a Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, or Outlook address. Thunderbird is designed to work seamlessly with all of these providers. After entering your details, click Continue to move forward. At this point, you'll need to choose your email account type. Thunderbird will present you with two options, IMAP or POP3. IMAP is generally recommended because it syncs your emails across all devices, keeping everything up to date no matter where you access your account. POP3, on the other hand, downloads emails to a single device. For this tutorial, let's go with IMAP. Select it and then click Continue. Now comes the authentication step. Depending on whether you're setting up Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, or Outlook, you'll be redirected to that provider's login page. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to log into your email address. This might involve entering your password and completing any two-factor authentication steps if you have them enabled. Take your time here to ensure everything is entered correctly. Once you've successfully logged in, Thunderbird may ask if you'd like to sync your calendars as well. This is entirely optional. If you want to keep your calendar integrated with your email, click Continue. If you prefer to skip this step, simply click Skip and move on. Finally, click Finish to complete the setup process. Your email account is now fully configured in Mozilla Thunderbird and ready to use. You can start sending and receiving emails right away, and if you need to add more accounts, just repeat this process for each one. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.